Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
In the realm of home design, the outdoor living space has emerged as a focal point for relaxation, entertainment, and connection with nature. A well-crafted patio transcends mere functionality. It becomes an extension of your home's personality and a sanctuary for both everyday tranquility and lively gatherings. At the heart of this outdoor oasis lies the barbecue area and outdoor kitchen, where culinary delights mingle with the fresh air and laughter of friends and family. Picture a sleek grill, surrounded by ample counter space for food prep and serving. Perhaps there's a built-in smoker, imparting mouth-watering flavors to your favorite meats and vegetables. An outdoor kitchen isn't just a practical addition, it's a statement of hospitality and a testament to the joy of al fresco dining. But elegance in outdoor living goes beyond culinary prowess. It's in the careful selection of decorative elements that enhance the ambience and charm of your backyard retreat. Consider tasteful lighting fixtures that illuminate pathways and accentuate architectural features as dusk settles in. Central to the outdoor living space is the open hearth, a focal point that beckons with the promise of warmth and camaraderie. Whether in the form of a traditional fire pit or a contemporary fireplace, the hearth becomes the heart of hospitality, drawing guests together in its radiant glow. Surrounding seating arrangements encourage intimate conversations and shared laughter, fostering bonds that endure long after the embers have faded. The terrace, with its sweeping views and cozy seating arrangements, offers a vantage point for soaking in the beauty of your surroundings. Whether it's a sprawling vista of rolling hills or the intimate embrace of a lush garden, the terrace beckons you to unwind and savor the moment. And what better way to ward off the evening chill than with an open hearth, where flames dance merrily and conversations flow effortlessly. A fire pit or outdoor fireplace adds warmth, both literal and figurative, to your outdoor living space, inviting intimate conversations and shared memories under the starlit sky. Yet, for all its elegance and charm, the true magic of an outdoor living space lies in its ability to foster connection with nature, with loved ones, and with oneself. It's a sanctuary where the stresses of the day melt away, replaced by a sense of serenity and belonging. In the realm of home design, the outdoor living space holds a special allure, a canvas where elegance meets functionality, and where the spirit of relaxation intertwines with the joys of entertainment. So, whether you're hosting a lively summer soiree or stealing a quiet moment of solitude, let your patio be a reflection of your style, your passions, and your commitment to embracing the beauty of outdoor living. Adorn your patio with weather-resistant rugs, plush cushions, and stylish throw pillows, inviting guests to sink into comfort and linger long after the sun has set. Elevating the outdoor living experience, the inclusion of an outdoor kitchen and barbecue area transforms the patio into a culinary haven. The design of these spaces marries functionality with elegance, with state-of-the-art appliances seamlessly integrated into bespoke cabinetry, while ambient lighting adds a touch of enchantment to twilight gatherings.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!